Yeah, am I audible now? Is the voice clear now, at least now? Is the voice clear now? Yes? Okay. Yeah. So look at this. What we'll do is we'll take a rod AB and AB is rotating. अब ये circle क्या होगा? The circle is the path of the point B. Point B will go in that circle. Okay? So obviously we have a rod here. A rod is moving. A rod is moving. इसका मतलब क्या होगा? Let's suppose there is a magnetic field here, uniform magnetic field. EMF will be induced. उतना तो हम बोल सकते हैं EMF will be induced. But अब look at any small part. Take any small part. जैसे यहाँ पे दो part ले लेता हूँ. Point P and point Q. दोनों का length dx मान लेंगे. Point P का speed and point Q का speed, will it be same? Will the speeds of P and Q be the same? It is fixed at A center हो गई ना. Now मुझे बताओ, will the speeds of P and Q be the same? P and Q का speed same होगा क्या? ठीक है, ये हटा दो. P and Q का speed same होगा कि नहीं? Thing is, it will be different. क्यों? Because we have a rod. It's rotating with some omega. Point P is here, point Q is here. दोनों का रेडियस एक मान लेते हम, एक का रेडियस हो गया R1, दूसरा का रेडियस हो गया R2. Right, so speed जो है V1 is equal to R1 omega and V2 is equal to R2 omega. Both of them are different. Right, so the EMF induced for each part of the rod will be different. So total EMF कैसे मिलेगा? So what will you do whenever it is a varying case? What you have to do is take a small element. We'll take a small element first. ठीक है? So we'll take a small element. ऐसा एक rod मान लेना. इसमें यहाँ पे एक element लिया हमने. This AB. Let's suppose the radius be x. तो उसका जो length है वो dx हो गया. For dx, so the right for that elementary part. For dx length, the EMF induced, very small EMF induced, will be equal to what? B LB होना चाहिए. Length is dx, B dx into V. Now what is B here? Speed कितना होगा उसका? In terms of omega, it will be equal to omega x. यही होगा ना? And then यहाँ पे, if it is rotating in this way, which end will act as, मतलब कौन सा end positive होगा? The left end or the right end? dx का left end positive होगा या right end positive होगा? बता दो. So at any instant ऐसे मान लो dx हो गया. At this instant, at the instant given velocity upwards, at the instant given velocity is upwards. Everyone, is my voice audible? Am I audible to you? Yes or no? Am I audible to you? Yes. Right. So यहाँ पे velocity ऊपर की तरफ है, magnetic field अंदर की तरफ. So which end will be positive? The right end or the left end? वो बता दो मुझे. एक पॉजिटिव चार्ज मानना पड़ेगा, एक पॉजिटिव चार्ज मान लिया, इट्स गोइंग अपवर्ड्स, मैग्नेटिक फील्ड इज इनवर्ड्स, V बार क्रॉस V बार किस तरफ होगा, लेफ्ट की तरफ होगा, so the left end will become positive and the right end will become negative, A positive and B negative हो जाएगा ultimately, ठीक है, clear? So what I'll do is I'll integrate. For net EMF क्या करना पड़ेगा, I have to add, basically integrate. So integration करने से क्या मिलेगा हमें, B and omega constant मान के चले जाएंगे, then it is what, x dx, x dx मतलब क्या हो जाएगा, b omega x square by 2, clear? and x मतलब देखो लिमिट्स भी तो होंगे, लिमिट्स क्या होगा बता दो, x का लिमिट्स क्या होगा, at a x will be equal to 0, at b it will be equal to l, तो लिमिट्स होंगे 0 to l, 0 to l, which will be equal to b omega l square by 2, clear? This will be the EMF induced, and left end positive यानी A positive and B negative, clear? समझ में आया ना, yes or no, right? I think we are out of time also, class खत्म होने वाला है because time नहीं है हमारे पास, so end the class for now, okay? I'll continue next class, I'll tell you what to do and when to do in the group, okay? You can go through them, okay? If you have anything to ask, you can stay or else you can leave, no issues. Yeah, DCP 6.2 also I'll upload. Yeah, Manoj, unmute. No issues.
सर
हाँ,
सर पॉजिटिव और नेगेटिव एंड चूज करने के लिए हम हर बार पॉजिटिव चार्ज मान के करना है सर,
नेगेटिव भी मान के कर सकते हैं हम, कोई दिक्कत नहीं, बट पॉजिटिव मान लेना, इट बिकम्स इजियर. नेगेटिव मानने से क्या करना पड़ेगा, you have to remember that the charge is negative, फोर्स को उल्टा लेना होगा, so there at times you might make that mistake, so take positive charge, ठीक है?
ठीक है सर.
Anything else? No? Rod might move by mechanical force, हाँ force होना चाहिए, but ultimately velocity है ना, हमें velocity से मतलब है, it can move because of whatever reason, but हमें velocity से मतलब है, the rod is moving in a magnetic field and EMF will be induced, that's how it is, clear? Force वाला भी part आ जाएगा, we'll also go into that, अभी के लिए simple. If you have no doubt you can leave, if you have any doubt you can stay and ask. No? Okay then, I'll end the class. Chalo, bye.